In this video, we'll take a look at how products for sale are different from service add-ons, so you can choose the feature that best suits your business model. You can think of products for sale as items that can be purchased on their own, during booking, or sold via point of sale. You can even create categories to group products and make it easy to navigate them. By default, all products are offered before a booking is completed. If a product is connected to a specific service, however, it will not be displayed on the product page and will only be available when booking the relevant service. Service add-ons, on the other hand, are only offered as extras when booking connected classes or services. Service add-ons can also extend the duration of the associated booking. To sum up, use products for sale to offer standalone items that can be purchased on the product page or during booking, and use service add-ons to offer extras that go well with services you offer and can extend the duration of the booking. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.